Guess where we are today? That's right, we're trying something new. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm gonna see if you can guess where we are today, right? What do you think? What do you think? Can you hear it? Can you hear it? What? Oh yeah. Here we go. That's right. We're at the Orlando Speedway. That's right. If you like this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be kept in the loop, hit that notification bell, and let's put the pedal to the metal, baby. Let's do it. Look at that. That's what we doing today, y'all. We racing. We racing. I know, right? You don't see this every day. Right here in Orlando. Who knew? Who knew? And you ain't seeing that. Old school got him. Old school got him. This is where you get tickets. All right, 1 day $25, 2 days $45, cash only. Are you kidding me? Did you see that? They running out here, baby. Running. Is that insane? Here we go, here we go, here we go. I got my money on the purple. And now we're going behind the scenes for an in-depth look. Is that insane? Can you say that again?
Drag racing is a billionaire that wants to become a millionaire.
Drag racing is a billionaire that wants to become a millionaire. What the hell?
And that's rigged. That's called a
So what is the entry fee to get in one of these races? Okay. So this class that we just saw now, what would be the entry fee? $100 bucks? So they're not making any money, they're just running for time.
Well, if you win, you can win 500, 1,200, 1,500 like that.
Okay, all right. That's what we got. That's what we got. You heard it from the man.
$9.
So the question is, how much does it cost to run a race in gas? How much gas are you spending in one race?
Well, like some of the other guys over there with the alcohol, they can spend anywhere from $400 to $500
For one race?
Yeah.
$400 to $500.
$400 to $500 for one race.
Did y'all guys hear that? You got to be in it to win it when you're doing this kind of sport.
Love to do it.
So the question is, how much does it cost to run a top fuel dragster?
Top fuel dragster, one pass is about $1,500.
One pass, which is like down the track.
Yeah.
One pass down the track costs.
They burn about 35 gallons of nitromethane a run.
And it costs $1,500.
Nitromethane is $35 a gallon.
Did you hear that? Oh yeah, you got to be in it to win it to do this thing. Yeah. So this is a behind-the-scenes look on how these cars are transported to the starting line. And our resident expert was saying how these cars can run up to 200 miles an hour. So this here is supposed to be the biggest baddest. Right here, one of the biggest baddest right here. Say that one more time.
They run about $100,000.
This one $100,000 and something for this engine. $100,000 for this engine. Can you imagine?
I would call we running it. That piece right there was $1,800.
That one piece, $1,800 that he just pointed at. Wow. These the boys that work on them. These the men in the pit. These are the men in the pit. Wow, look at that. What kind of transmission does this have in it? Lanco. Oh, look at this. Lanco transmission. What the hell? Can you imagine being in the back of this, running this car? You gotta have balls of steel to run this. How much these tires cost? How much do these tires cost?
One of them tires right there?
One of those tires right there.
$500-something a piece.
$500 and something a piece for one of those tires, those big tires on the back.
Without a rim.
That's without a rim.
That wheel on there is about 50
Say that one more time.
That wheel right here.
Okay.
$1,500 is that rim. That's what that's about $800 rim.
So that's about a $2,200 tire with the rim. Insane. $2,200 tire with the rim. The rim. Next, I got to get up close and personal to some of the premier professionals in drag racing. This is his car right here. This is the crew chief, my man.
This is first time ever.
Big Willie. This is the crew chief. This is the man right here.
But then we had to break.
So how much does this vehicle cost? How much does this vehicle cost? $275,000. Yeah, $275,000. Did you hear that? I gotta sell a kidney and a left nut to afford this car. How many horsepower does this car have? You want to go to 5,000. 5,000 horsepower.
It's an extreme racing engine, heavy.
Extreme racing engine. What the hell? Your man right there. Nah, we're gonna trade brains later. Last but not least, I got to meet one of the top female drag racers. So, how are you? I'm Kevin. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Melanie. Selena.
Ellie?
Drive this car.
You the driver?
I am.
Hold on. She's the driver of this beast.
Yeah. I was trying to explain to him about the cost of one of the motors. And you tell him what set up like this to run from all.
Okay.
We just sold out.
This is a screw bore motor.
Do whatever combination you want to do.
Okay.
Actually, it's
Yep.
just what you prefer.
Okay. Wow.
Love the colors.
This is her beauty, you can tell.
Next, I had to walk around and check out the lifestyle before the night racing started.
That's your bike? You ride that bike? That's your bike? This is her bike and she rides it all the time. Can you believe it? They actually got the football game going on. Man got his thing going. What? He invited me to eat. Okay, all right.
That's all he do.
Look at my man here. He getting down. Look at him. All right.
Can we get a good shot here?
You gonna put them on a good shot? All right, we at the Orlando Speedway Motor Raceway. You know what I'm saying? And this is what they do. This is what they do. Look at the setup. My man cooking. That's my neighbor. And
The family.
hold up. Mr. Bling. All right. With that being said, we out. What's the purpose of them wetting that track? Why they wet the track? They wet the track so the tires spin. You want that tire to spin to get it hot. You want that tire to get real hot so it sticks.
After that brief intermission, it's time to bring out the fastest cars at the track.
He the crew chief. That's the winner. That's the winner. Winner right there. Crew chief, baby. Oh, ho, ho. Yeah, he smoked him. This man smoked him. That's what's up. He got the money. He got the money. He got the money. Who lost the money? I don't know who lost. Did you lose? Damn, and you got it.
Yeah, you got it.
Damn.
That's what happened when you bet with country. That's what
He
happened.
chill over there, boy.
Hey, you taking a chance when you bet with country. You taking a big chance.
Hit that subscribe and notification bell so you can be kept in the loop on when I do new videos. See you next time.